Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with unruly brows that just won't stay put, I think you'll find this one interesting. We're exploring the Milk Makeup KUSH Brow Lamination Gel in Clear, a vegan, cruelty-free brow gel designed to lift, shape, and set your brows for up to 8 hours. It promises a soft hold without that stiff, crunchy feel that can make brows look unnatural. The formula comes in a demi-matte finish and features a smudge-proof design, which is ideal for anyone looking for brows that stay in place throughout the day. It's a clear gel, so it works on all brow colors, and Milk Makeup highlights its clean, cruelty-free credentials, which is always a plus for those conscious about the ingredients and ethics behind their beauty products. When I first started using this gel, I appreciated how easy it was to integrate into my morning routine. The wand glides smoothly through brow hairs without tugging, and you can comb them up or in your desired shape effortlessly. I found the gel dries quickly enough to hold the brows in place, but still leaves them feeling soft to the touch, so there's no stiff, artificial look. Over several hours, it maintained its hold, even through normal daily activities, and the smudge-proof claim definitely held true in my testing. What I really like is how versatile it is. You can go for a subtle, natural lift or a bolder, laminated brow, depending on how you comb the hairs. On the flip side, I noticed that on very coarse or extremely thick brows, you might need a touch-up to maintain that perfectly uniform look. Also, while it's clear and universal, those seeking a tinted effect will need to layer it over a brow pencil or powder. In terms of value, the price aligns with the quality of the formulation. The soft hold and smudge-proof properties are comparable to higher-end products, and the clean, vegan ingredients make it feel like a thoughtful investment for those prioritizing ethical beauty. Compared to other popular brow gels on the market, this one stands out for its non-stiff texture and reliable all-day hold, although some tinted gels may provide more color dimension in one step. The packaging is sturdy and sleek, typical of Milk Makeup's aesthetic, and the wand design ensures precise application. Since it's a gel rather than a powder or cream, it tends to last for months without losing efficacy. I haven't had direct experience with customer service, but Milk Makeup is generally known for responsive and helpful support if needed. If you're on a budget, there are more affordable clear brow gels available, but they often compromise on texture or longevity. For those who want a high-performing, ethically formulated product that keeps brows looking soft yet defined, the KUSH Brow Lamination Gel justifies its price. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Milk Makeup's KUSH Brow Lamination Gel excels in delivering a soft, lifted brow look that holds all day without stiffness or smudging. It's perfect for anyone who values ethical ingredients, ease of use, and a polished finish. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.